Hi, Mr. X with glossary term extremum. The high and low points on our function, the maxima and minima, and they can be either relative or absolute. So here's a picture. For this little function here, we have a single maximum. That would be the absolute maximum, the highest point on our graph. That would be one example of extrema, an extremum. The low point, designated with the small m here, is a minimum. So here we only have a maximum and a minimum, and that's it. Now, this might be a critical point because it's at the end of our closed interval. This may be a critical point because it's at the end of a closed interval. But those would be extremum. Here's another little graphic off the internet from an organization called ZWIG Media. ZWIG Media. And our maximum values, our maxima, are all labeled local, and our minima, each minimum, is labeled local. But I would suggest that the highest point on our graph is the absolute maximum, and the lowest point on our graph is the absolute minimum. Mr. X, Mentor of Mathematics, at mrxmath.com.